Why I love clean code. With clean code, I can do this simple thing. I can make it where the file size is small, it runs efficiently, I can make sure that things are running smoothly, and I know what is doing what, when, where, and why. In the past, when I needed to fix things and my code was messy, it made it harder to fix things and solve things, which in turn, I'm talking about good coding practices in practice, not on paper, not things where you're premature optimization. I love having it where I'm optimizing after the fact. So at first it starts off as messy, then I clean it up. Now you can make an argument that I'm not getting more product out, but here's the thing though. Why would I care about more product when I can fix the thing and refine the thing that I am building? To me, it is more important to have a strong fundamental product and not have it where it is bloated for the file size. Look at Helldivers and how people love the fact for Helldivers 2, they reduced the actual file installation size. They actually reduce it down to a manageable size. You see the consequences of that actually happening. People actually have a positive reaction. However, games being too big, again, keeping this positive, when you have games that are too big, you end up in the Call of Duty scenario. And that is why I don't like messy code. You have it where things don't run optimal, and you don't know where the bottlenecks are because your code is messy. And how do I know this? Because I have had messy code many times. That being said, that's why I love clean code. With my state machines, I can easily look at where, when, and why something is not working, what part of it, is it the state machine itself, is it just this little part, etc. There are many functions I can look over and try to fix or reinforce or even optimize, or even find ways to restructure it to optimize it again. Again, to each their own. I'm sure for you, doing more messy spaghetti code works, but overall, just look at the actual results of who gets more praise and who's been getting more positive PR, is all I'm saying. And which one ends up in more consequences. Now, don't get me wrong. You can make an argument that messy code can lead to things like TF2 having special little quirks that happen, happy little accidents, but how often are you going to get those happy little accidents to happen? That in and of itself is more of a consequence of having many features. But regardless, that's just my opinion, and anyway, so take care.